Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June 29, 2021. We're going to see if Tezos is ready to break out. We're going to talk about where we're looking for the price to go, all without being confused. And again, if this is your first time seeing our video, you all can actually tell that there is someone here that is putting price predictions on their chart without being confused, and you appreciate it or you want to learn more. Make sure you hit that like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because I'm telling you, don't want to miss out on any of our content that we are creating. If you want to learn more, you can join us on our website at HueFinancial.com as well, because we're here to drop nuggets to everyone in our team, every one of you all who appreciates our community. We want to continue to give you all nuggets as to how to win and dominate in the space, right? So now, let me tell you all what happened in Tezos since our last price prediction, which was on May 30th, 2021. So it's been about a full 4 weeks of us seeing price action occur in the market in Tezos. As you guys can tell, a lot hasn't happened. The price literally has maintained itself over the last 30 days in between $4 and $2, right? So now, let me show you all what happened in the market for Tezos against our prediction, because you guys can tell we played a weakness. So we wasn't surprised to see that the market in Tezos has dipped while everyone else is running around trying to figure out what happened, trying to figure out how did this happen, trying to figure out how low it's going to go. We already expected that the weakness in Tezos is there. And just to see that the market is hovering around our ultimate TP price kind of lets you know that everyone should have the ability to understand where the support area is going to be, how low the market is going to go, so that they can continually profit in this space. Now, you may say, well, it looked like you got your prediction wrong because you would have got stopped out. Well, that's one thing I want to talk to you about, is that we don't play stop losses on these exchanges. We understood that this is where we will have to reevaluate our prediction under the premise we were to see strength, and nowhere did we see strength come into the market in Tezos since our prediction. If anything, what occurred here on June the 7th was our confirmation that we were still on point to allow this market to go lower. And you can see that from this perspective, if I were to extend it, the ultimate TP price came through right there on the 21st, right? So about 3 weeks, 4 weeks, we've seen the market in Tezos come and hit our ultimate TP price, 19.33% right there. All right, so let me take that away. And for us, for you, everyone in our community, let's try to get in a position and see if Tezos is going to break out, okay? So again, I see that on our chart, this $2 area is still being applicable. It is still being utilized as support. I like the fact that we actually see a different area of support in Tezos, and it's a little bit higher than $2. So we're going to create this line now and get rid of this one, because we trade, we participate to where the price is. And so far around this vicinity is where the market in Tezos has told us he's willing to keep that market price propped up. Okay. So I'm going to bring it up there ever so slightly than from what we originally had it. Okay. Now, let's see if we still have enough momentum to see the price in Tezos go a little bit higher. Maybe we can hit $3.20, you know, $3.50 over the next couple of days to week. So this is the price on a 3-day time frame in Tezos, and I still like it. I like the strength that is coming through into the market in Tezos so far. The last 2 3-day price bars, which is including the current one, I actually see that the market is willing to absorb or buy up a lot of the selling that's been going on in the market in Tezos since the beginning of May, right? So we are actually seeing this market find a basis, a support, a foundation to where the market is willing to prop price up and try to go higher. Now, I'm not telling you that we're out the woods, right? But at least we can tell that the trap is willing to lift this market up just for a little bit, right? When you see the environment in the cryptocurrency space seemingly almost every day, seemingly almost every week go lower than the previous week, everyone kind of gets tired, right? Everyone's emotions gets beaten down. They're wore out. They're getting worried about what's the next step, where we're going next, right? So now the trap is trying to ease those fears. He's trying to come through and ease your mind and say, okay, I'm gonna hold this market support. I'm going to bring the price up a little bit higher just to bring everybody back on board into thinking, i.e. thinking that the market is ready to go higher in price. So that's why I don't want you all in our team to think that we're out the woods yet, because, well, let me show you. This is the 5-week time frame in the market in Tezos, right? Now, I just did a video on XRP, and go back and listen to that video, or at least midpoint. Try to find the monthly time frame in Tezos, right? I'm sorry, in XRP. We created as an ascending line on a monthly perspective, right? And I'm going to show you this one for Tezos. This is why every market is different. You need to treat it as such. Tezos is still in an upward trend though. XRP is not. So matter of fact, let me show you. Let me give you a quick look at it. So that's Tezos at the top. And then I'm going to show you XRP at the bottom. And you're going to see that the market in XRP is not trading above that ascending line. Okay. Let me put this on the monthly. So this is the monthly time frame in XRP. You see that the current month of June, the market in XRP is breaking below that line. So let me look at this on the monthly time frame in Tezos to see if we get the same thing. And we're not. See, the market here in Tezos is still bouncing on this major trend on a monthly perspective. But when I look down here at XRP, we're not. The market in XRP actually broke that ascending line. So every market needs to be treated differently, because everyone who participates is not the same individuals who participates in Tezos versus those who participate in XRP. Okay, so I just wanted to show you all that. So let me go back to the one chart, and you all can see there that Tezos is still in an upward trend, which is positive. So like you said, prime real estate to come in and buy the market up in Tezos was right there around $2. Came shy this month, came all the way down to $2.13. Okay. But so far, so good for the long-term perspective in Tezos to continue to see this market price go higher. All right, so now let me do this real quick. I'm still seeing a strength in the market in Tezos, so I'm still going to play it, but I wanted to show you that this area literally is going to find a problem, and it's going to be right here. Okay, so that's where I'm looking for the market to find some weakness. That you might have to jump on board real quick and take some of that small profit off the table, 4.84%, before the market really gives a indication that it's selling. Take that profit off the market right here around $3. Okay, but now let me bring it up here towards $3.40. Let me look at this on the 3-day. Right, let me show you all. So this is the 3-day time frame. Yeah, I'm gonna take it up there around 340. $3.40 to $3.25. $3.25 to $3.40. It's where we would come through and TP out the market in Tezos. Let me draw this line there. And that's it. So again, I'm not really expecting a monumental bias direction, i.e. going higher in Tezos, but we can still play the strength. We can still get in a position and win in the market and see this market price go higher in Tezos. So we're in position. Our TP price, first area, just skim off just a little bit around $3. Second area, $3.25, ultimately all the way up there towards $3.40. And that's it. So now we're in position. Tell me, what do you all think? Where are we going to go? Right? We need to plan. We need to predict. We need to foretell where do we think the market is headed so that we can ultimately dominate, win, and profit. That's what the game is all about. So tell me, where do you all think the price in Tezos is headed over the next 3 weeks? Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, see you on the next one.